Welcome to this video on the case of Crispin Burgos d Bariata versus Ombudsman Carpio Morales. We will explore the Ombudsman review routes, the executive discretion and probable cause, and the explained wealth doctrine regarding statements of assets, liabilities, and net worth, or SALN. This video examines the factual background and charges in the case, including the parties involved, allegations of unrecorded assets, and the evidence provided by the mayor in his defense. The case involves petitioner Crispin Burgos d Bariata, public respondent Ombudsman Conchita Carpio Morales, and private respondents former Mayor Joselito A. Ojeda and his wife, Dulce R. Quinto Ojeda. Charges include violations of anti-graft laws and perjury or falsification. The allegations centered on various assets, including real estate and shares, which were allegedly omitted from SALNs. In his defense, the mayor provided evidence of prior encumbrance, divestment, and explanations regarding his family's finances. In 2015, the ombudsman dismissed both criminal and administrative charges, finding no intent to conceal wealth. Petitioner Bariata later filed a direct petition for certiorari with the Supreme Court, alleging grave abuse of discretion. This video now analyzes the key legal doctrines relevant to the case, specifically looking at appeal routes, executive discretion regarding probable cause, and the doctrine of explained wealth. Administrative appeals are elevated to the Court of Appeals under Rule 43. However, ombudsman rulings in criminal cases are reviewed directly by the Supreme Court via Rule 65, which restricts the scope of judicial review. Courts generally uphold the policy of non-interference regarding the ombudsman's discretion in determining probable cause. Intervention only occurs if grave abuse of discretion, defined as an arbitrary or despotic exercise of power, is proven. SALN laws aim to identify ill-gotten wealth. However, the doctrine of explained wealth holds that properly accounted for assets, such as those divested or held legally, do not equate to criminal intent. Minor omissions without clear malice do not automatically constitute perjury. The Supreme Court denied the petition, finding no grave abuse of discretion. The court affirmed that the ombudsman properly evaluated the evidence, recognized that explained assets are not criminal, and confirmed that assets of emancipated children are outside SALN requirements. For legal practice, remember to split appeals between the Court of Appeals and the Supreme Court. Furthermore, a high threshold exists for certiorari, and SALN omissions can be defended with documentation of divestment or legitimate asset ownership. Thank you for watching this overview of the Bariata versus Ombudsman Carpio Morales case. We hope this has clarified the key doctrines and procedural aspects discussed. This final slide lists the image sources used in the creation of this video.